7/25/2021, Olympia Bend Shooting Range. Rifle function test number 2. Okay, Pa. Let's get his set up here.
These first 4 shots are just to sight my rifle because I've moved my scope around.
Okay. Let me get logged into the radar here. Start a new group here. Gonna try to rectify yourself from last week, huh? Oh, it's doing a data transmission.
Okay.
Give that thing a second here. Alright. 181. You ready? Hang on, Pa.
Whenever you're ready.
I was ready, but my thumb hit the wrong button. Hang on a second. My fat thumb today can't hit the right thing. Hang on. I gotta delete this one out. Series list. I want to delete 82. Alright, you ready? I think I'm ready now.
Huh?
I think I'm ready now. Alright,
Okay.
you ready? Send her. $28.40.
Am I that low?
Make sure we're recording.
Shit, I don't see it anywhere on the target. Not on the target. I gotta move it all the way back. Damn it. I thought I'd be close. It's not anywhere.
What you want to do, come back up about 50 yards?
Not hiding in the black.
Let me see if I can see if I see anything on target.
Shit. I'll walk it out. I found something on the left edge of the target,
Yes, sir.
but whether it's me or not, I don't know.
Pi, you want a water?
What's this?
You want a water or Coke?
A Coke if you got one.
Let me focus back on your target. We're still good. That advice F-Class John gave about have a cross paths instead of kind of straightforward chasing right after it, but kind of have it set it off a frame or two to the left or the right of it, whichever way angle you're shooting at. That's why I set your target on the left side and mine on well, yours on the right, mine on the left, because the way we're shooting, we got that angle going out through there.
Okay.
But he gave
What was
some
my velocity on that last?
2840.
28?
Yeah, you're way up there. 2840.
What the hell? $28.40.
2840.
Last time we shot it was $27.40. 100 feet per second.
Hey, you were kissing up about 28, 20, 25 last Wednesday.
Not Starline. Starline at 46 shot 27.40.
Okay, I can't keep up. You're doing about 6
What
different
the
cases.
hell?
I'm doing good to keep up with one set of cases.
These are 5 thousandths longer.
That almost looks like the start of a good spearhead right there, don't it?
What does that say?
46-0.
And I kicked these up because the small primer shot lower.
46-2.
I'm gonna move to the right. Move right, wanna go right.
That's your Sightron 10 by 50 by 60.
Yep. Zero on it? Yep.
Alright. Sender.
Okay.
Sender. You hit it that time. time. 2801.
Whoa.
I'm not seeing a hole, but it looked like it hit right back behind it. Well, wait a minute, Pa. I'm looking at a hole about 4 inches off the right, 2 inches down from the top, on the top target. Looks like I see a hole right there. Are you seeing that too? Pa, are you seeing that? It looks like 2 inches from the right, 2 inches down from the top. Looks like a hole.
On the right, bottom right corner. Bottom right corner.
Bottom right corner?
See it?
Okay, I'm looking at it. Must be a blemish on the paper. Yeah, I see you.
I thought I had a shot on the left before, but and I moved my sights, now I'm down right.
Yeah.
Okay, so I moved left, and I've gone up a couple.
Okay.
Let's see what happens. Ooh. Okay, light me up.
I'll make sure you got your ears in. All right.
Well,
2805.
I come up an inch, and I went over an inch.
Yeah. Yeah. Ready? Sander. 2777. Looks like you need to go about an inch.
This is where I thought they would be.
Yeah.
Did I screw up and put in my 48.2 in those 3 shots, and this is now a 46?
You put in 46. But that took a nosedive. But you're actually trying to do a ladder test anyway, aren't you?
I'm trying to get on 0.
Yeah, I know, but I mean, when you loaded, you were planning on a ladder, correct?
No, I just want to see how the group is and the velocity.
Oh, okay.
So I'm 1 inch, which means I need to move
About 1.5 inches left.
8 clicks gives me 1 inch at 100, so I now need 16 clicks left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I gotta go up.
You gotta go up about 1/2 inch.
Yeah. So we're up 8. Now the question is, at 100, where am I going to be? I'm going to move it up 8.
You want me to go ahead and move you back to 100 now? Pa.
I'll move it.
I got you.
I'll move it.
You're shooting. Stay here. I'm not shooting yet.
Okay. I'll let you do it. I got trouble sticking it in the ground. My balance is so bad I put on the wire and I'll fall over.
Hey, I'm doing the same thing.
Okay, we'll see what happens.
This thing's records fine as long as I don't hit pause or anything on it. It does pretty good. But last night...
Want to set for record now? Yeah.
Are you still, you want to keep the same series going? Or?
It's the same load as I previously shot the last 4, supposedly.
You want to start a new series to keep your numbers correct? You got 4 shots on that target down there now.
That's okay. I can figure this is number 1.
Well, let's just start another series. paid a bunch of money for this thing. Let's let it do the math.
Deviation too.
Alright, I'm going to start a new series. Now, you only got 4 shots on that target so far in that group.
Because they were my sighting weights.
Well, ain't nothing right home about it. Extreme spread 64 with a 26.3 deviation.
28, 28, 28, and then a 27. So I don't know what gave on those. All I can think is I put the wrong powder in it. Because 27.7 is about where they should be. So if this comes out 27.7, then I know I did that.
Right.
Okay?
Alright, you ready? Let me check my aim. We're good. Ready?
Oh, I gotta acquire a target now.
Sender. Hey, I'm going to disarm you a second, Pa. I'm going to relocate this camera right here a second. Probably should be shooting you from this angle anyway, but the rifle's working fine though. It's going right back and forward like it's supposed to.
Okay? Light me up.
Sender. $27.79. Paul, I'm gonna move your equipment over here off of here. We got other folk coming out wanting to shoot too.
I'm assuming that's 12 o'clock.
Let's see what you got.
We got somebody else, huh?
Yeah, I got your equipment put up. Let me find your target again. We went back out to 100.
How you doing?
Hey, how are you?
You gentlemen doing all right today?
Hot one today.
Oh, yeah. Where'd you say you hit?
I think it's 12 o'clock. Right in the numbers. It's in the black.
Are you shooting at the top?
Yeah. Oh, no, I'm at the bottom target.
Yeah, I see it at the bottom. I thought you were at the top.
Yeah.
I'm Chad.
Chad, I'm Dale.
Nice to meet you. This is Nadia. Hey,
Howdy, glad to meet you, man. This is my father-in-law, Pa.
Hey, how are you?
Gentlemen, we're YouTubing it.
Okay. Oh.
Language.
Oh. Did I cuss?
No. I've been getting on him today about it.
Oh. Yeah, no, I'm usually pretty good around people I don't know. So.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
We don't bring this thing out all the time,
Oh,
but
okay.
we're
Y'all got a
functioning.
YouTube channel?
I'm trying to get one started up. Right now it's just functioning, the gun functioning and everything, new
Yeah.
chassis and everything on that one.
Nice.
So,
Good
we
deal. What kind of
just,
chassis is that?
that's the Oryx,
Okay.
but, hey man, I'm solid aluminum piece all the way through.
Awesome.
Some plastic
That's nice.
furniture,
Nice.
but, I'm loving it.
Yeah,
He is
nice.
too so far.
Oh yeah.
Well, let me out.
Where y'all from?
Right here, Valdosta.
Valdosta. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, I am too.
Yeah, I live probably 7 miles from here.
Oh, nice. Nice. I'm from Lake Park, but I live up near base.